Hey guys, good morning. Let's go over Shiba Inu. Guys, we listed this coin and it has been crazy what's happened. Let me show this to you guys. We're currently sitting at 116 wins and 0 losses, so that's been pretty cool. Let me show you guys real quick what we've been able to capture out of SHIB in just the last few days. We ended up entering and exiting over here 50% for a 12.82% profit on 50%. And then I use a stop loss strategy that you guys can simply follow over here that on the other 50% of that was 15.25%. And then we actually got back into Shiba Inu after that, exited for 3.14%, and then we had a stop loss hit on that. And now, guys, guess what? We're back into SHIB again. You guys can see this over here because I told you guys, I was like, hey, I'm getting back into SHIB right now. Officially, the trade is closed. We're getting back into it. And guys, we've won 116 wins. And that last one was on the 50% stop loss getting hit, the remaining 50% for 4.50%. So guys, this is awesome. I am in SHIB. I officially own SHIB. It's pretty funny because I think the fun of this coin, honestly, guys, is coming out here. It's probably my least amount of holdings. But guys, I hold 62 million SHIB. How much do you guys hold? It's only $1,700. It is my lowest coin. So that's that. I wouldn't actually mind holding more. I just don't have the extra cash for it right now. So let's go over this. By the way, let's start there. The account, guys, is looking pretty good. Up about $7,500 in the account. $150,000 is our break even. So about $7,000 profit, unrealized profit. Remember this, guys. For everyone who's showing big gains out there, all you have is a good story until you sell. Okay, just want to put that out there. Same on my end too, guys. It's just a good story until you sell. All right, let's go over Dogecoin today, guys. Excuse me, Dogecoin. I already went over Dogecoin. We just did Dogecoin on the video, so we're going over Shiba Inu right now. Let's take a look at this. Where are we going? How high are we going? Retail trader indicators, very bullish. Awesome. That's probably just going to keep pushing the market up. Majority of retail traders say, hey, we're above the 50, above the 100, above the 200, guys. That's bullish. There's no way arguing about that. That is bullish. As far as retail traders, though, I do think that this market is probably going to see a little bit of a move back down here in a correction. Let's look in here. Let's get really deep in here. I want to look at this with you guys, okay? Look at the formation here. You have a fast move up with a huge red candle down, and if this does not come back and break structure high up here, this is getting us into basically either a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is going to push us like this, and we're going to ping pong back and forth like that, or we're going to probably start moving into a downtrend again, okay? The biggest thing you guys want to be watching for is we want to stay above this low right here. This low is right around, I would say, this is another way of calling this out if you guys don't know this, but it's around 2,630. I'm going to start calling it out like that. Take the furthest decimal to the right, 2,630. Okay, that's how you can call this out now because it's just transparent because who in the world is going to just say 0.00002? Like, it's just ridiculous. So 2,630. If we can stay above this, that is where I think we can still stay bullish in this market, but I wouldn't doubt if we start kind of going sideways here for a few days. So don't be nervous if that starts to happen. Those of you guys who are predicting our moves up and down with the trend exhaustion and price for swell money flow, guys, great job for those of you guys who have this. When trend exhaustion is in the top red section and you guys see well money flow high, you're looking for a couple things, consolidation or move back down. You need to be watching for that. The moment this pushes in the top red section over here, well money flow is high, you guys are seeing an overextended market, and this is pushing the market back down. If you guys are in other trades or you're trading with us and you're like, hey, I have had enough profit, I want to look to take an exit. This is the best two indicators to have, guys. Top red section, well money flow high. Look for the drop to happen right when you get up there. I'm showing you guys just a few on here so you guys can see the accuracy of this. Also, all of you guys who came out over here and you guys know the scalping strategy we're using, emotional index needs to be in the anxious or fearful section over here. Okay, and you guys are looking at that, and trend exhaustion hits the bottom red section here, and well money flow is at least heading down. You guys are looking for a 3 to 4% grab in the market for Dogecoin or any of our coins. 3 to 4% there, 3 to 4% there, 3 to 4% here. You guys have won every single one of your scalping trades, all of them with the indicators. That's how we have some people in here going and making literally $43,000 over here with the indicators. 1,202 with only two indicators. Which ones? The price of swell money flow, trend exhaustion, $4,000 plus in 24 hours just using the indicators. Okay, guys, 2,207 days. And then we got people down here doing $20,000 in crypto. Which indicators? Trend exhaustion, price of swell money flow. These are the two most accurate indicators you guys can use on crypto. I'm showing this to you guys because the sale is ending in 2 days. You only have 2 days left, and this is the biggest discount we've ever given you guys on the indicators. The price will never be lower than what it is right now. So I want you guys to snag this. Literally, if you guys click the description, and I'm going to spend just a little bit, give me 5 seconds on this. It's literally right here. Click this, enter coupon code MARCH at checkout. This is going to be going up in 2 days, March 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, okay? That's all I want to say. I'm not going to turn this into a big sales video. You guys know the accuracy of them. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and I think you guys can see the value here. Okay, I want to dive in. I want to give us some really good analysis today for Shiba Inu, and we will be using these metrics to call exits because we're obviously all in this coin, and I'm with you guys. So when the trend exhaustion gets back up here in the top red section and whale money flows back up here, it is dropped almost every other time, like even over here, like I know I'm doing this a lot, but like seriously guys, when we get back up here, we need to be watching for a possible drop back down. So I will be looking to exit us when we get back up here if we've seen a decent amount of profit. And that's what you guys can do too. This does come with alerts that you guys can set up when the white line crosses above into the top red section. Awesome. You guys can set that up today as well. Take a look at this. Before we go over here, let's take a look at the psychology of a market cycle. You guys want to get pumped by how crazy Shiba Inu can actually get here? But not with just some unrealistic, like ridiculous, just some prediction here. Let's go back to the daily time frame. I want to show you guys something. The reason why I did not list Shiba Inu on our website back here was I was telling you guys know this, the millionaires that I was coaching, and even if those of you guys who didn't have millions in your crypto accounts, they're like, list it. I'm like, no way. I'm not listing a coin in the initial pump phase of a market. This is literally like teenage emotions going off. It's crazy. Hardly enough data in here to actually give us enough data for even the metric. This is a new coin, guys. This is new and it hasn't been around for that long. We need more data. But here's what I want to show you guys. The initial pump move of a coin, this is Bitcoin. We get into this basically consolidation zone and then we start moving up here in what's called a disbelief rally. All right. I do believe this is pushing us into the disbelief rally right now. This coincides with other altcoins like Dogecoin, as well as ADA, and a lot of the other coins. So I do believe we could be seeing a move up here. But look at the daily time frame. Trend exhaustion is super high. Well money flow is high. I wonder what happened last time this got this high in the market. We did see a move back down. So guys, this is not just going to be a straight shot to the quote-unquote moon. It's not going to happen. Let me show you even further data of why I don't believe this is happening. Look at the S&P 500 gap up this morning and stop up here. Okay, this is right at the psychological level, about 450. Okay, if this resistance right here gets respected, and it starts moving back down, guys, the entire crypto market is going to drop back down. I am already prepared for my account to go back down under $150,000. That will actually be extremely healthy, in my opinion, for us to get a nice move back down, a correction for a move back up. Looking at the S&P, this will absolutely affect Bitcoin. Absolutely, guys. But look at this. When we see nice moves back down, it's actually just a healthy move back up. Nice move back down, healthy moves back up. Nice move back down, a healthy move back up, okay? This huge, basically, sell-off we've had here in the S&P has been coming back up here. Great. When we get back up here, guys, to 471, you need to be watching for the drop back down. You need to watch it, okay? So this is not a straight shot up. Okay, I just want to let you guys know that. All right, let's go over the metrics and get us into a little more data of what we can see happening this next week. Here you guys go. Let me make this really quick. Sorry, I've got Grammarly on the computer. I might take it off for the website because it's kind of annoying. Pricing, we're 160 wins and 0 losses. Come trade with us, guys. It's a blast. It's only $95 a month. Not only do you guys get every single trade entry that I'm entering into, all of them called out in Telegram, every exit called out as well. Literally, we have the highest win rate and we're doing extremely well, guys. You can copy everything I do. But on top of this, we actually developed our own full metric suite of indicators and metrics so you guys can watch the markets of what wells and institutions are doing. We're going to go over that in just 1 second here. And then we're going to go live on Zoom April 14th so you guys can join us all together, and we're going to do a Q&A session and talk about the markets. So much fun. We are just adding more value to this and keeping the membership price super low. So you guys snag a membership over there, and literally 2 days left on the bundle pack, so don't miss that. Okay, as far as metrics go, we are sitting in the excited area for the emotions of the market. Last time we pushed up into excited and greedy, we did see a move back down. Look at this over here. We saw a move down here. Look at this over here, guys. We saw the move back down. This is a place in SHIB right now where I do think we could start seeing moves back down within the next few days, even pushing us into the weekend. Okay, a structure high move up here is definitely where I'm watching for the move down. So even if we take a small gain, guys, of 2 to 3%, The last trade was not big, but would you not rather just compound your wins over and over and over again? Guys, every time we win and we enter back in, we're compounding our money. It's awesome. Okay, I hopefully I get so jacked about this when I do these videos. Hopefully you guys enjoy this as well. Okay, long versus short trades over here. Let's come in here a little bit deeper in here. Let's take a look. This may not look like much, but it is very powerful, guys. When short trades come up here and they try to increase, the market does see moves back down. What we're seeing lately is short trades completely moving out and long trades moving up. But recently, yesterday, long trades moved out with short trades. I think this is honestly a sign, guys, that people are like, hey, we've headed up too fast and we're looking for the move back down. Let's continue. Market cap strength is looking good. This is finally making the turn here, and money is coming back into Shiba Inu. Same thing with Dogecoin. All right. I was concerned here for a while because I'm like, this market cap went so fast, and then everybody took millions of dollars out of SHIB. Millions. And then it's just been flooding out here ever since then. Now that we're starting to see this movement back up here, and you guys can see this right here. If we look right here, you guys can see it moving up there. This is a bullish sign for SHIB. All of you guys in here, which includes myself now with 67 million SHIB, then we're looking for this to be a continuation move up here. If it does move back down, I'm looking for this structure right here. So everybody, here's your structure support that you need to write down. It's 2,550. Okay, 2,550 is where I would expect. It's 2,554. Let me get this exactly. 2,554 is where I would expect to see a move back down here, a healthy move back down, pushing trend exhaustion to the bottom red section, well money flow low, and oh my gosh, guys, if you see it get back down there, I would grab some. If this market gets back down here, guys, I'm throwing 50 grand into the market. If it gets back down here, I secretly hope it does, because that would be a ridiculous time. Guys, anybody who bought at the end of February is going to be a millionaire in the next 3 to 4 years. Like, I'm sorry, that's not accurate to say. Depending on the amount of money you put into the market, if you guys are trading with around $100,000 or so, you could be seeing an incredible amount of money. I do not think this price will ever come back on SHIB ever again. I don't think it will ever come back. So if we ever head down to these areas again, I am going to be stocking up like there's no tomorrow. Okay. All right. Short trades definitely looking at this as being in the favor. It makes sense because Wells institutions are coming out and looking at this short as a possibility as well. This market cannot keep going up. You guys are looking at this and you're thinking, I know what some people are thinking. They're like, oh, it's just going to keep going up. It's going to catch them on the wrong side of the market. Well, guys, last time this happened, the market kept going up and then it pushed back down. Short trades came out. They pushed the market down. Short trades came out. They pushed the market down. They pushed the market down. They pushed the market down. This is the only time here I can find where, yes, it still had to move back down, but it started to, this is this move right here. It saw this move back down, but then it started to see a move back up. But this is still a decent drop in SHIB, okay? So watch this for a move back down here. 2 more metrics, and I'll show you guys how to actually get into this trade, which is pretty much using the same buy limits here. And you guys can literally join me on this video because I will be calling an exit out in this, so it's kind of fun. Resistance points. Looking at this one over here, 2,863. That's where I'm looking at, guys. 2,863 is right over. Actually, this is updated this morning, so it's gonna be a little bit higher. So structure high. Let's call it 3,000. Right at 3,000 is where I'm looking at this high to be hit. I'm definitely gonna be looking to take a profit around there, which will give us. Actually, that's not bad. A 6.64% is not too bad. Okay. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys got into this, great job. You guys are holding. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now. And literally, you know what? Forget it. I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, here's what you guys can do. Feel free to just use the buy limits over here on the chart. This is where we had yesterday. I updated them just a little bit so you guys can see this, but they're very close to the same, if not exactly the same, because the first one, just watch this one. By the time you guys are watching this video, it's basically 8 a.m. right now, so these are updated, but I may have adjusted this a little bit. Here's what you guys can do if you want to join me in this trade. Literally, this is a very rare opportunity on this channel that you can do this. Here's what you guys are going to do. Choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 250. Place 250 at each of the 4 buy limits. Now, if you guys go back to Masterclass 1, this is so important. This is how we're winning all these trades. You guys want to stick around and figure out how the highest win rate on all of YouTube is winning their trades? Here's how we're doing this. Come over to the Masterclass and go Masterclasses, scroll down and come down here. And I want you guys to watch Masterclass 1 right here. This talks about the equator theory, okay? Let me explain this to you guys real quick on the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily right over here and explain this. If you take the high of a coin, and you take the low, you've got the high and you've got the low. This is the North Pole, this is the South Pole. You take the middle. I literally just had North Pole and South Pole elves come into mind. Big fan of elf. All right, guys, this is the equator right here. So we've got the equator, 50%. If you're below the equator of the North and the South, I am using 3 buy limits instead of 4 so we can get more money in the market. Okay, now that you guys know that, let's go back over here and I'll show this to you. If you would like right now to use these 3 buy limits, again, we don't show this on YouTube like ever. This is probably one of the only times you guys will see this. You guys can enter in with 3 buy limits right now. Okay, I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna show this to you on Sheep, so we can literally talk about this and show you guys how to enter in right now if you want to join me on this. So if you enter in right now, you guys will be basically able to get in exactly where I got in yesterday. And then once you do that, let's say you have $1,000 and use the first 3 buy limits. How much is going at 3 buy limits, guys? $333. Good job. So $333 at each buy limit. I am then going to be calling out an exit in Telegram. Once you guys have your membership, you guys will see the exit called over here for Sheep. I'm in this trade. I already showed you guys this, but I'm in this trade over here. And when I see a good place to exit and I want to make money on this, and I see all of our metrics and our indicators lining up for a good exit, guys, I'm going to take an exit. So follow me in Telegram. Come over here, get your membership, get into Sheep. If you would like, I'm not a financial advisor. You guys choose. Get your membership and then join me in Telegram. Click this up here and just click Telegram right there. That will give you guys a hot link and it will automatically join you in Telegram, and I will be calling an exit on this if we start moving back up here. And that's how we're winning our trades, guys. We're currently up almost 1% at the moment. So guys, have a blast trading this strategy. I love it so much. And biggest thing, make sure you guys are getting the membership, and we are literally, today is the 29th. March only has 31 days in it. There's 2 full days left that you guys have, only 2 days, and you guys want to be clicking this link right here and then use coupon code MARCH. It will literally give you 84% off. It is the biggest discount value we have ever had on our indicators, ever. And we will never have our indicators lower than this price that we have right now. Don't miss this, guys, because I'm going to be upping the price back to what it was before the discount came out for this sale on Thursday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So guys, don't miss that, guys. It's in the description. All right, have a blast. I hope you guys are enjoying this. We're going to try to target 120 wins for 120 in the next 2 days. Yes, I know that's pretty close. We're 116. It is possible, but if not, we'll just push into April and we're going to try to target 100. I'm actually going to go for 130 wins in the month of April. And it's so funny. I was just thinking about this the other day. I'm like, man, guys, do you remember when we were crescenting and we just got 100 and we stuck at like 102 forever. And then it's like, look at this, guys. We're back at 116 wins in a row. It's so cool. And our account is back up into the profit and we're at $7,000 in profit. Like, this is sweet. So anyways, guys, have a good one. God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I'll do one more video today. I will do a Bitcoin video. I know people are asking for Bitcoin, so I'll do a Bitcoin video today. But don't miss the sale we've got going on. I'll send you guys out a 48-hour, a 24-hour email, just so you guys have it so you don't forget. But make sure you guys snag that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, guys, let's do this. Join our family. Email us if you have any questions at betradeconfident, betradeconfident@gmail.com. But the links, you guys need to click are in the description of the video, and I pinned it to the YouTube comment, the first one, so you guys can see that. So there you guys go. Enjoy the indicators and the membership, and get into Sheep if you'd like, because that's going to be probably our next winning trade. All right, we'll see you guys. Bye.